Today I'm going to show you guys how to do lookalikes with email lists, how to upload lookalikes and all of that stuff. Ignore my hat, looks really stupid, but that's just how it is for today. So guys, you want to subscribe and you want to like this video, let's hit a new like record because this one is going to be good, and if you're not subscribing, you're going to miss out on a lot of cool stuff. So prepare for this video, we're going to make sure that we drop a lot of value. So last video, free 30-minute consulting call giveaway winner is Quentin, and I really want to answer his question. Quentin, message me on my Instagram, will be here, and if you guys want to win that one, make sure you comment so you can win the next video's giveaway. So his question is, what can I do when my ads perform really bad and well, or they perform good on some days but on other days they perform bad? And dude, that's completely normal. It doesn't have to be ad fatigue, it could just be Facebook works on good and bad days. That's just how it is. It's completely normal. As long as your good days are good, that should be fine, and then you just try to keep scaling or whatever. That's just how it is. So guys, drop a comment and leave a like and subscribe if you want to win the next free 30-minute consulting call. We do give away them in every video, and we're gonna hit 500 subscribers soon. That's awesome. So let's just jump straight in my computer and I'll show you guys how I do it. Okay guys, so just really quick before the video starts, I wanted to tell you guys that haven't heard about this before what lookalike audiences is. So a lookalike audience is just basically, it's in the word, it's people that looks like your previous customers, right? So if you have a, let's just say you have an email list, the email are signed up to Facebook, they engage in groups and stuff like that, and they have a internet behavior, right? So when you get like 100 to 150 sales, you can start lookalike audiences on like view content or page post engagement. Not page post engagement, but you get what I mean. You can start lookalikes then, and what a lookalike really is just like I said, people that looks like your previous customers, same behaviors on the internet and stuff like that. So you can launch like a 1 to 10% lookalike of one country. So if you launch a 1% lookalike from the US, you're gonna find a 1% of the US that looks most like your previous customers. And if you launch a 10% lookalike, you're gonna find people from the US that the 10% of US that looks most like your customers. That's basically just what lookalike audiences is. And now I'm going to show you guys how you use them and how you upload a list. Okay guys, so we are inside the computer, and I'm just going to show you guys really quick before we get into the lookalikes a short amount or a little tutorial on exactly how you can import the customer data, because this one is going to be really important because you want to use the email data. Upload the email list, and I'm going to show you guys, it's really simple. People make it seem advanced, but this takes you like 2 minutes. Unless you have like 600 orders, you might have to upload it. But running lookalikes on pixel data versus with the email list, you should always go with the email list. It's just gonna be stupid doing the other one, but I mean, you could test both, but there's a reason why I got this email list. So don't take the easy way out and just run the pixel data. Make it a little harder, upload this list. I'm going to show you guys, so make sure you guys subscribe because we're going to drop a lot of good content here. So first, I want you to download an Excel document. You get a free trial if you want or whatever, it's up to you. But you click export up here. I'm going to hide some of this stuff because obviously you click export here, and you don't have to change anything. You don't have to go for this. You can do plain CSV file as well because you can just get it over to an Excel, but there's no point when you got this one, right? So you just click export orders right here, and it's gonna download. I don't know how long it will take for you guys, but oh, it says 50 orders. Yeah, it's supposed to export all the orders. I don't know why I didn't do that now, but that's cool. I mean, that stuff like that happens. Who cares? Normally you're gonna export all of your orders. If not, it's just to do another action. Yeah, anyways, we're inside of it right now, and we got a million emails. Not a million, but we got a lot of them, right? So now we got this one. So I'm just gonna make it simple and just save it so I can remember it. So let's just save it like, let's just name it customer data. And now that one is saved, so we can just go into the Facebook ads manager. And for you guys complaining this looks horrible, yeah, I never used this ads manager. I used it once just to test something. I would not do this in my own ads manager. It's just gonna screw me over. I gotta delete everything. So now that you're in this one, you could either search up here or you could just scroll down until you see audiences, and you just click audiences. It's gonna be really simple. So once you're into audiences, you can create a custom audience and you can create a lookalike audience. You can create a lookalike audience, you can in theory, but you should not create a lookalike audience before you create a custom audience. Okay guys, so now that we're into it, I'm just going to show you guys how you can create an audience. So first you go by custom audience, and you're not going to do websites or stuff like that. You do a customer list because you guys already got a customer list, right? So what you want to be doing right now is to upload your email list, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can do it. So when we begin out, you can just click no. It doesn't really matter right now, but obviously later on it would be really smart to include lifetime value, stuff like that. But for now, we just do this. So we can upload the file. We got the file right here. I named the customer data just to make it more simple. Name your audience, and I'll just make like LLA's audience, and it should be ready to go really soon. So here we got all the emails. This one's gonna be in here. I don't know why. Yeah, exactly. So we just upload their email list. You gotta go through all of these ones. I'm not gonna do this for now, but just put in the email of all of them. I don't know why it's not showing up here, but it's supposed to do, so you guys shouldn't really have to worry about that. Just include the email here and you upload and create. So they say you don't upload blah blah blah, you can include all of this, but we're gonna go by email, right? Because we have an email list. So you upload it, and this is gonna take some time depending on like how many people you got in your audience. So now that what is going on? Now that you got everything ready here, it's time to start actually making the lookalikes, right? So we're gonna go here, and then we're gonna select the audience, and here we got the LLA right here, and then you select audience location. So let's just say you're getting a lot of sales from the US, so it should normally be the easiest place to start with. So you can just type in United States, and it's gonna show up here. And then I would honestly launch 1 to 5% from the beginning. So here you got them, all of them. You can just simply click here and you could go by how many you want. So we just start with 1 to 5 and see how that performs, and then we just create an audience. So I want you guys to take a quick look here. The audience is lookalikes, and we can just name it really quick. No, we can't really name that one because that one's the one we uploaded, but you can name it later on. But all of this will be named differently, so you can just upload the audience here. It's gonna be really simple, and there you got all of them, right? So now I'm gonna show you guys really quick how you can make the ad with it, but it's not really that advanced, so you guys don't have to worry too much about it. So to make it simple, we can just launch a LLA campaign. We can name it LLA campaign, and we're not gonna have CBO on, but this doesn't matter really. So just go for conversions. Earlier you could have put in what you wanted to do on the lookalikes. If you wanted to do add to cart, initiate checkout, you could have done that in the other lookalike section. But here we can also do, I'm gonna show you guys. You could go here, and you could also go down here, and it says missing conversion event. We can just start with view content, or we can start with add to cart, depending on like your data. On this store we had a lot of add to cart data. It doesn't show up because I didn't configure the lookalikes and stuff like that, because why should I, right? We're just hurrying up this video. But normally you will see like you got like 1,000 add to cart, stuff like that, which I also do, but I didn't go through all of them. So you could either start this way: view content, add to cart, checkout, and purchase, or you could start with video views, whatever percentage you want, and then add to cart, and then checkout, stuff like that. So we can just start with the view content lookalike, and you can just name it view content LA's 1%, right? And then you go down here, you could do whatever you want, $5 a day. Don't do 5, I'm just gonna do 5 for an example, but don't do that, and we'll just schedule it like 3 hours from now. This doesn't matter, you should obviously schedule, but I will run it for like $25 a day each. Not doing it now because it's gonna be turned off anyways. So you can just you could go out of your own country unless you live in the United States, and then you could just type in United States. On Facebook, guys, you gotta type in the whole thing. So here we go, and we can now finally put in the audience, and here we got all the lookalikes already set up, which is really good, right? So this one is gonna be the first one. It's probably gonna be better to just use this name than to do this one, and then we just put view content if you want, though it doesn't matter that much, right? So now you can edit the placements whatever you want. I had multiple videos showing you guys that, but it's Instagram and Facebook feed. So now you just upload your ad really quick. So I just uploaded the first post I could find on this account, so it doesn't matter which one. I don't really think I've ever tested this one. Maybe someone else has been into this. I have no idea because I haven't really seen this product before. But here you guys can change everything like that, but that doesn't matter for now. So what you can do now, you can just hit here. Oh shit. You can just go here and you could duplicate it. You could duplicate it into 4 copies, but that might screw some of you guys over because it's going to be hard to focus or to handle everything, so it could be a little too much at a time. So what you can do here, you just add in the, why is it not showing up? Yeah, here it's showing up. So now it's time for you guys, you could just add in this one. So we can do 1 to 2% now, and then you obviously just, you can take this one, you could name it, and then you could, let's just say this, and then you do VC. Doesn't look clean what I wrote here, but that means view content, right? So you just publish this one again. It's not hard, guys. It's not hard. But look at this. Now it's published, and now you can just duplicate it again, and you can put in the next lookalike, which is going to be 3%, right? So you just go down here. There's some more to this video, guys, than just this, but I'm just going to show you guys really quick. So here you guys can put in the next one. You could do 2 to 3 now. That's probably the best time to do that. So you take the name, obviously, like you always do. You want to make it look clean, right? So you take the name, and then you type in view content or whatever. It doesn't matter, guys. It depends on what you're doing here. But here we got the reach. It's obviously bullshit, but I'm running 5 a day. You should run $25 a day each. And if we go back to the lookalike section, like you guys saw earlier, that you could just simply make a lookalike audience straight after you put in the audience as well, so you don't have to go and do it manually. But always use this tool right here, guys. It's gonna be way simpler for you guys, and I think that's basically it. This is like how you make it really simple, right? So hopefully yours is going to show up. If not, you can just type it in just like I showed you guys. But I lost this button. It's not showing up anymore like it's supposed to do. But I talked about it earlier anyways, guys. There will be a place, I have no idea why it doesn't show up, but there will be a place where you can include the event that you want to do, if it's add to cards, purchase, and stuff like that. But for now, we just put it in. So I hope you guys find this video helpful. This wasn't really a lookalike tutorial, so that might be why I've seemed a little bit unfocused, or it seemed like I didn't know what I was doing, because I'm never prepared to make, honestly, a lookalike tutorial. It was more like a video for you guys just to show how you can upload your email list and stuff like that, because we can do lookalike scaling video, whatever, but this one was more for you guys to know exactly how you can make your email list into sales and how you upload it to Facebook, because I've gotten a million people that's trying to take the easy way out using the pixel data and stuff like that, and man, you just gotta upload your email list. So make sure you guys like and comment if you want to win the next free 30-minute consulting call in the next video, and you guys want to subscribe because we're dropping a lot of good content there. So I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.